Hey guys, we're Biotech Stocks Capital back with the latest trading and investment ideas we publish every week. Today's video is all about Sorrento Therapeutics and its stock, which is trading under the ticker SRNE on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. As always, we'll introduce the company first, talk about what it does and about its prospects, and then jump straight into the graphics. Thank you guys for your support. You are the reason why we make these videos after all and why we're able to continue doing them. Remember to like this video to see more similar content in the future and subscribe so you don't miss new ideas and analysis videos we post every week. Sorrento Therapeutics is a company from our favorite sector, Biotech. This is a clinical stage and commercial biopharmaceutical company that develops therapies for numerous hard-to-treat conditions such as cancer, autoimmune, inflammatory, viral, and neurodegenerative diseases. It operates through two segments, Sorrento Therapeutics and Skillex. The company provides cancer therapeutics by leveraging its antibody library and targeted procedures, especially the so-called chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy. We won't delve too deep into biochemistry here, but it's basically a way to turn the body's own cells against the cancer cells, giving them a way to specifically target only the affected parts of the organism. The company also uses antibody-drug conjugates and other specific antibody approaches. Another treatment with high potential is Soffusa, a technology that delivers biologics directly into the lymphatic system, bypassing the need for dangerous chemotherapy. We believe that any medical research is a novel cause that is worth investing into, and the company's projects could prove to be invaluable in the future. That alone makes this company a great long-term investment. But wait, there's more. Meet you on the graphic. As always, we'll start with the important level of support and resistance and see if we can spot any interesting patterns. And there is one indeed, and this pattern is usually called cup and handle, or cup with handle. Doesn't matter too much what you call it. It's a chart pattern that has a drop in price, a rise back to its original value, and then another smaller drop and a rise to the previous peak. It is usually an indication of a bullish sentiment on the market and of a possible further price growth. The pattern is kind of similar to an ascending triangle in this regard. The sellers get more and more desperate when the price keeps getting back after fall, so they eventually decide to switch sides. It's not a 100% chance, mind you, but the strong possibility is there. Cup and handle is easy to spot because it looks just like it sounds. Also, cup and handle has four phases, which we can see on the graphic. First phase is an upward trend to a significant high, then follows the pullback that retains at least half of the gains. Then the trend gets back to the previous maximum but fails to break the resistance and falls down again. The buyers gather their strength and the price flies off the handle in the fourth phase. That's what we're waiting for, and for this we need the price to rise above the $10 level. That's our N, so look out for it. And that's not all. There's great news about the company that could really bump its value. On the 29th of June, the Biotech announced a multi-year cooperative research and development agreement with the US Naval Medical Research Unit. The partnership will research infectious disease and improve the US Armed Forces medical readiness in areas where number 3 is responsible. Based on this agreement, Sorrento will bring its technical knowledge to the table and give access to its portfolio of products intended to fight the coronavirus and various other threats, while number 3 will oversee surveillance and clinical validation research. It's not that hard to see why the unit chose to work with Sorrento, as the company has a pipeline bulging with prospective treatments, diagnostics addressing the coronavirus. That's some incredible news for the company and the business in general. Another thing that is likely to influence the price is the short float of 19%, a very large volume indeed, so we are waiting for the price rise real soon. The analytical agencies H.C. Wainwright, Allianz Global Partners, B. Riley Securities, and other forecast a price of $26 to $30 with a potential growth of more than 100% long term. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Sorrento Therapeutics and also which companies and stocks you are interested in, and we'd be happy to do a review. Have a great week and stay invested.